What's going on, guys? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Brian Noonan here. So we've got Q4 coming up, which is the busiest shopping time of the whole year, but it's really hard to launch new products in Q4. So I recently did a video, you can check it out right up here, on launching in Q4. Should you launch a new product in Q4? What about storage fees and PPC costs? So make sure to check out that video. But in today's video, I want to share with you my absolute favorite product research method that I use to find over 60% of my FBA products. It's called the Storefront Method or the Rabbit Hole Method. I'm gonna see if I can't find an excellent product live right on this video. So this video is gonna be perfect for you guys out there who are in product research phase. You're in the process of searching for products or that second product. This video is gonna be perfect for you guys. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, my name is Brian Noonan. I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller and mentor. Right here on this channel, I release 1 to 2 new videos every single week covering everything Amazon FBA related, e-commerce, making money online. So if you enjoy content like that, make sure to go down and smash the thumbs up button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and do leave a comment because I choose 2 lucky winners every single video to give away 2 30-minute mentorship calls with me. My job right here on this channel is to help educate, teach, and impact as many lives as possible. I went from a drug addict all the way to a full-time Amazon FBA seller. So if you went through some addiction or struggle in your life, this channel is perfect for you. Without any other delays, let's jump into my computer so I can show you my absolute favorite product research method coming up. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've been trying to... What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. All right, guys, let's jump right into the video. So what we're going to be doing today is doing product research. Now, I'm going to share with you in this video my favorite categories, what filters I use to find products, and then I'm going to share with you my favorite product research method, which is the Storefront Method or the Rabbit Hole Method. I love this product research method. I found a lot of my successful products using this method. I really like this method because you get to see what other FBA sellers are selling, and if they're making money or successful selling one product that we come across, an FBA seller, there's a really good chance they know what they're doing. And in their storefront, they'll have other products that are doing well. So really a powerful method, guys, here I'm going to share with you. Right here, I'm inside Helium 10. If you don't have any product research software, Helium 10 by far is my favorite and the best. You can check out down below in the video description. I've got coupon codes for this software. It'll take it from $97 down to only $48 for the first month while you do product research, keyword analysis, keep track of your competitors and do market analysis. So let's jump into it. So product research, to put it simply, is a 2-step process. The first step is we have to get the product idea. You can get the product idea from Black Box, Magnet. Inside Helium 10, there's some other tools. You can use Amazon's website, go onto Amazon bestsellers list or new release list or just products you've recently bought. Or you can use Etsy or Pinterest, all these different product research methods, okay? And then the one I'm going to show you here today, the Storefront Method. Also, I found products using QVC.com. That's the largest on-air TV shopping channel in the country, and they have a lot of good products in there too that are very innovative and unique. But we're going to be using Black Box. I'm going to come under the Keywords tab here. So product research is a 2-step process, to put it simply. The first step, get the product idea. And then step 2 is pull up the product on Amazon and let's take a look to see how many other sellers are out there, how much competition is there, what price are they selling the product at, how much revenue are they making, can we make money or make profit selling the same product, all of that kind of stuff. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go under the Keywords tab. Then I'm going to come down to Search Volume. I'm going to do a minimum search volume of 3,000. This means that there's a minimum of 3,000 people per month searching for this product. Now, one note to make on search volume for keywords, minimum 3,000, is search volume, high search volume, does not equal sales or good revenue or that the product is making money. More important, I'll show you here in a minute, will be the revenue column and the review count column. But typically, I'm looking for a product that has at least 3,000 people per month interested and searching for the product, okay? Next, guys, monthly revenue. My goal for every product is to make a minimum of $3,000 profit. So that means I need a product doing at least around $9,000 a month or so in revenue. So I'm going to put, roughly $7,000 and then up to $30,000 here. I just found I cap it at $30,000 a month. Products that are doing like $85,000, $100,000, $300,000 a month usually are really, really competitive. So I found this is kind of the sweet spot, 10 to 30,000, roughly in that range. Price point, $20 is my minimum price I look for a product, and then I'll go up to $100 for the purposes of this video. But for more experienced sellers, I do recommend, and for those of you who have a larger starting budget, I do actually recommend that you look for higher priced products, because one of the benefits of selling a higher priced product is you don't have to sell so many units per month to make a full-time income. And also you have a bigger profit margin or a net margin. Every time you sell one unit, you make more money after the cost of the product and FBA fees that allow for PPC costs, marketing, and other fees. So consider that for those of you who maybe this is your second or third product, you have a little bit higher budget to start out with, because sourcing costs are going to be a little bit more. Consider selling a higher priced product. But minimum we'll do 20 to 100. Max review count 333 because we're doing keywords here. Now, here are the categories that have made me the most money on Amazon, okay? Those categories are arts, crafts, and sewing, beauty and personal care. Have to be careful though in here because there are a lot of restricted products that we can check for. And then health and household, home and kitchen, industrial and scientific, kitchen and dining, patio, lawn and garden, but there are some seasonal products in there, so you'll have to check for seasonality, sports and outdoors, and tools and home improvement. These are the categories that have made me the most money on Amazon. Tools, home improvement, sports and outdoors, home and kitchen, kitchen and dining, arts, crafts, and sewing. And then I'm launching one in beauty and personal care, and also one in electronics, which I showed on another video. You can check out Getting Prepared for Q4. I'm going to be selling a desktop USB coffee warmer, warming coffee cup warmer. Okay, so these are the categories. All the other categories, guys, are either too competitive, they're too large, or restricted. And then I'm just going to come over here and click search, and then we're going to come down to the results. Now, what I'm looking for when I go through these results, I'm looking for a product name that I don't recognize right off the bat, okay? Because we don't want to, in most cases, sell like sheets, towels, pillows, those rugs. Those types of products usually are going to be too competitive. But let's go through here and see what we've got. So tiered tray decor. This looks very interesting. I would open this one up and take a look at that. View on Amazon. Okay, let's go through and get a few more. Biden 2020 yard sign, no. Ceiling fan light covers. It's making $8,700 a month in revenue on average with only 215 average reviews. That also looks interesting. Next, we've got poultry netting, $29,000 a month with only 171 reviews. Let's take a look at that guy too. So first I'm going to go to the ceiling fan light covers. That one looked kind of interesting to me. I think it's toys and home improvement, or tools and home improvement, excuse me. And let me show you what the next step would be. So the next step is we're just going to run your extension, X-ray, product research. We're going to run the extension, and this is going to show us how many other sellers are out there, how much money they're making per month, how long have they been selling the product, what's the weight of the product, the price of the product, and then some other details like BSR and search volume, okay? So while this loads, let me tell you a little bit, just an overview of the storefront method. So what we're going to look at is we've used Black Box to find a product idea using the keywords tab in Black Box. We've pulled that product up on Amazon. Now let's say this product, the numbers don't check out, the revenues aren't high enough, or the review counts are too competitive, or the seller type is mostly all Amazon. Then that's where the storefront method comes in. And what we can do is actually pull up other sellers' storefronts and see what other products the seller is selling to get ideas for launching our own products. Okay guys, my computer is running a little bit slow and slow today, but here I'm going to show you the storefront method. So we've got this product pulled up, ceiling fan light covers. It's got 13,000 searches per month. However, there is an issue with this product that I see right off the bat, and that is, do you see how most of all of these are AMZ, AMZ, AMZ? That means Amazon, the company, is selling that product, and I typically don't like to see more than half of these. I just want to see a couple, maybe AMZ and the rest FBA, but in this case, they're almost all dominated by Amazon, the company. So it's going to be really hard to compete against Amazon to sell this product. But here's what you would do next, the storefront method. There's an FBA seller right here called Kohi or Kori, and he's making, or she is making $26,900 per month in revenue, and they're an FBA seller. They know what they're doing. So let's open up their listing and then click on their brand name underneath the title here. And then it's going to open up the other products that this seller sells. If it looks like a mini website here, this means they have brand registry, enhanced brand content that you get once you have a trademark or go through the Amazon IP Accelerator program. And we won't be able to run X-ray on this little mini website on Amazon, on their products or their storefront. But you can get ideas here for other products they sell and click on those, and then open up those products on Amazon and see if they look good by taking out the main keyword LED trailer light, plugging this up here into the search bar, and then opening up that keyword and running X-ray. So that is kind of the storefront method. Now, one thing I notice here is this is an automotive, which is restricted, and same thing with lighting. Lighting products like lamps, lamp fixtures, bulbs are restricted, but I don't think like these metal covers or guards would be restricted actually. So you may be okay with that one. Now, there's also another FBA seller here that's making $8,000 a month, Dismeo. I opened up their storefront and they don't have brand registry. So I'm actually able to run X-ray right on their storefront on all their products that they sell. Once you open up the extension or open up the seller's storefront and then run X-ray product research extension, here is what we're looking for. We're only looking for two things, guys. We're looking for high revenue, low reviews. And why are we looking for high revenue, low reviews? Because we know this FBA seller was making money with another product they sell. We opened up all the products that they sell, so there's a high chance they know what they're doing. So why we look for high revenue, low reviews is because if this FBA seller is making good amount of revenue per month with low reviews, it possibly is a good product opportunity. So right here, 46 reviews doing 8,000, 134 reviews doing 8,400. Those are the only two that really jump out to me right here, guys. But so you would click on this product ASIN here. We would open up that product and then run X-ray. But you could go through here. A lot of this is lighting, so you have to be careful. But you guys get the idea. Once you open up their storefront, we're just looking for products that they're making really good money. I would say over $5,000 or more, and like around 100 reviews or less, and then open up that product, grab the main keyword, and then put that into the Amazon search bar as your idea, and then run X-ray to see how that niche or product looks, okay? So this is a white globe lighting bulb that goes, or cover that goes over, but that was just one of the products that we found in Black Box. There was also poultry netting and some other ones here. Unique's hair bundles, we don't want to sell that. Citrus Bergamot is a fragrance, we don't want to sell fragrance. Rainbird is a trademarked sprinkler company. Slingshots, okay, that's interesting. So you would open up that idea, view on Amazon, and then you would run X-ray to see all the sellers selling the product. Are they making any money? So let's open up that. And then we would look to see if this product is doing well. And what I like to see, you can check out down below in the video description. I have a product research checklist and flowchart that will kind of break down what I'm looking for when you run X-ray. But typically I'm looking for all the revenues to be over $5,000 in the first 10 to 15 listings. I'm looking for 5 or more with 150 review count or less. I'm looking for the main search term or keyword up here to have at least 3,000 search volume or more. There's mostly FBA sellers. It's not dominated by one brand. The price is pretty consistent. They're all over $15. And you scroll to the far right, most of the weights are 5 pounds or under, because we don't want to sell a product that's over 5 pounds. It just gets really expensive for shipping costs and FBA fees and storage fees. But here we go, guys. Okay, so we've got a variety of brand names. There's a title, product name. That's not important. Under the little truck symbol, it's mostly FBA. The price is mostly around $17.99 and up. There's a couple under. Sales column, I'm looking for 300 or more on all of these would be nice. Revenues, I'm looking for all of these to be about $5,000 or more, which in this case they are. And then we scroll to the right and we need roughly five or more, 150 review count or less. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This product checks out. It meets my criteria, and I would absolutely look into this product more. Right here, especially this one, 27 reviews, doing $12,700. Excellent. 27 reviews takes like a month, and they're doing $12,757 per month in revenue per 30 days. These numbers are 30-day estimates, except for the review counts are lifetime since they launched. And they're making really, really good money. Another one under 100 reviews doing $16,000. 98 reviews takes about 3 months, doing $16,000. You can pretty much guarantee out of these 12,700, 16,000, at least 30 or 40% is pure profit. So guys, that's going to wrap up the storefront method, kind of a overview on how I'm looking for products and kind of what filters I'm using, and the storefront method, which is my absolute favorite. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you are subscribed and like the video. Drop me a comment if you have any questions, or just say hi, and you'll be automatically entered to win one of those 30-minute calls with me. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've been trying to... What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel.